Today we are working on Excel Expert Lesson 4, the second lesson, modifying workbook links. So this is what you should have opened up.
I can't talk like that any longer. It hurts my throat. So it says use the Windows Explorer to navigate to the starter files folder and change the name of the LAN tour group 1 to 1A, but do not open it. So Windows Explorer is this yellow folder down here. So we're going to go to Documents, Jasper Active, Starter Files, and the LAN tour group 1. I'm going to right click on it. I'm going to click rename, and I'm going to add a 1 to the end of it. So the file name is now 1A, but do not open it. Close Window Explorer. So let's close that. Return to the Excel window. Open the Modify Links workbook. Open. Jasper Active. Modify Links workbook. Open that. Security warning message may display. Click Enable Content. Excel now updates all formulas in the workbook that reference other workbooks. Because one of those source workbooks can no longer be found, the following message is displayed. Select Edit Links. See, we changed that name, and so it made it all confused. Dialog box lists all the external sources, so you can see right here. These are all the sources that it used before, and the status information for each of them. An error message appears next to the LAN Tour Group 1 workbook indicating this source workbook cannot be found. You see this error source not found right here. With the LAN Tour Group 1 file selected, click Change Source. So make sure that one is highlighted, then click Change Source. The Change Source dialog box, which is almost identical to the Open dialog box, now displays enabling you to find the correct location of this source workbook. If necessary, navigate to the starter files, which it opened up to mine. Click the 1A workbook, the one that we renamed, and click OK. The link is now updated with the correct workbook name. See that it put it right here. Furthermore, all data referenced from all link workbooks has been validated. Close the Edit Links dialog box. Mark that as answered. Submit. Submit results. There you go. This completes modifying workbook links.